What's up, guys? We're doing the 3-spot giveaway, and since it was delayed, we are doing another $25 giveaway plus the Tarasenko giveaway. So how it's going to work, since the shipment got delayed, we're giving away an extra 25 bucks to everyone who entered the break, and then we got all the 3-spot giveaway entries. I'm going to random the 3-spot giveaway 3 times. Person on top is going to win the Tarasenko, and the person in second is going to win the $25 credit. Okay, so we're going to go here and go 3 times. Person on top is going to get the 25 bucks. 1, 2, 3. Chris Ryan gets the $25 in group break credit, and the 3-spot giveaway. 1, 2, and good luck, everybody. 3. So Mike Somich gets the Tarasenko. JJ, you get the $25. Congratulations.